Upbeat music plays, scene opens with a bright, colorful set. Ortizan is on the left and Camiso is on the right. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of Bluetooth speakers. On my left, we have the Ortizan portable Bluetooth speaker, and on my right, the Camiso small Bluetooth speaker. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm ready to find out which one will make my ears sing and my wallet dance. Let's kick this off with the price. The Ortizan is priced at around $49, which reviewers appreciate for its sound quality and performance, saying it's a great value for the money. Meanwhile, the Camiso is a budget-friendly option at just $14, making it a favorite among users looking for a portable speaker without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk sound quality. Ortizan delivers 360 degrees hi-fi stereo sound with 24 watts of power, and many users rave about its deep bass and clear audio, especially for outdoor use like pool parties. In comparison, the Camiso may only have 5 watts, but it still impresses with good sound quality and volume, making it suitable for podcasts and casual listening, though it might not be the best for music at parties. Next up, battery life. Ortizan boasts an incredible 30-hour playtime, which users love for long events and gatherings, allowing for continuous music without interruption. On the flip side, Camiso provides about 7 to 8 hours of playtime. While some reviews mention it's enough for casual use, others wish for a longer duration, especially when on the go. Moving on to the waterproof feature, Ortizan has an impressive IPX7 rating, making it perfect for poolside parties, as many reviewers confirm its durability in water. Camiso, however, isn't waterproof, which some users found limiting, especially if they want to use it near water, but it is still considered sturdy and portable for everyday use. Now, let's talk about connectivity. Ortizan features Bluetooth 5.0, allowing connections from 66 feet away, and users have noted it's easy to connect and to pair with devices. Camiso takes it a step further with Bluetooth 5.3, praised for its long-range connection, but both products effectively get the job done in terms of connectivity. Lastly, let's discuss aesthetics. Ortizan comes with a colorful RGB light show, which many find fun and perfect for parties, while some reviews consider it a gimmick. Camiso, on the other hand, is minimalist and sleek, likened to a classy friend that never goes out of style, making it a great choice for users who prefer simplicity. Overall, reviews highlight that Ortizan is ideal for those seeking powerful sound and durability, while Camiso is celebrated for its portability and budget-friendly price. Both have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs. So what's the verdict? If you want powerful sound, epic battery life, and a party vibe, go for the Ortizan. But if you're on a budget and need a portable friend that's small but mighty, Camiso is your guy. Whichever you choose, remember to buy smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep shopping wisely. And may your music always be loud. Upbeat music fades out as the screen shows. Subscribe for more. End of video.